Hey everybody, welcome back to my little corner of the YouTube's world. We're not doing that today. There's a video coming on that. But today, time for a little truck time. Got to do an oil change. And you know what I'm using, right? I mean, what else would I use? All right, you can get yours at LexcoSynthetics.com. There's a link in the description. But we're also doing something else. I'm not going to bore you with an oil change. Everybody knows how to do that. Also doing fuel filter change. There's one on the frame rail and one up in the engine bay. We're going to do them both. A lot of y'all probably know how to do it. Some people may not, so this is how I do it. Stay tuned. Okay, under the truck, driver's side, frame rail, just behind the transfer case. That's the fuel filter. So first thing I'm going to do is loosen this knob and let the fuel and the water come out. I've got a little drain right, little catch right here. So let's get that open. There we go. I'm gonna let that drain. I don't know why it's draining in two spots, but okay. I don't like that. Maybe I have it out too far. I don't know. Oh, I see the hadn't been leaking, so. We're going to get this connector off. It's just a squeeze. Right there. Like that. All right. Then you grab yourself a 32 milli. Go here. There we go. A little messy, but so what? Filter's out. You need to get this little O-ring off because the filters come with another one. So just take a pick and get under there and just Ah, almost. There you go. Step one. Done. All right. Let me go get another filter. All right, filter housing. What to do with my carburetor cleaner? Brake cleaner. All right. This snaps back in, this down. Catches on those little prongs right there. There we go. Oh, it's already lubed, so let's go put it on. Let's get this O-ring up around here. Just like that. Roll it up in this where she lives. All the way up. Make sure she's all the way up. There's a groove it goes in, and you want to get it in it. Otherwise, you're gonna have a leak. I promise you. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. All right, that's in. All right, I'm gonna have to move y'all for a second. Hold on. Get out of the way. I can't see this side. Let's see if it's all the way up. Yep, we're there. All right. You don't want to put on, really want to use this as leverage when you tighten it. Grab the base here. All right. Grab that 32 milli again. Don't want to kill it getting it back on here, just roughly where it was. There we go. Click that baby back on there, make sure that's tight. All right, we're good there. little shot of brake clean, get you out of the way. All right, let's go to the top. Okay, so here's the fuel filter in the engine. So blue tabs, white tabs. So the blue ones, you pull back and push down, and back to you and down. Oh, let me put a little rag under there. Get a little leakage. All right, so that one should pop off. There we go. Come on, baby. All right. And these white ones, there's one here, the one underneath, you squeeze them together and pull. There we go, there's that one. Then twist, and it should come right out. There you go, like that. And there we go, that's out. Here's a new one. See this tab right here? It goes in this slot right here and rotates all the way back around. Like that. Click. All right. Get this out of here. Wait on the click. Right there. Wow. And wait on another click. This is kind of awkward when you're on a two-step ladder going around a... All right, come on now, click on there. Is that it? Nope. There we go. Give it a tug. Give it a tug. All right. Let's go inside. But first, all right, back in the Chariot. Okay, so what you want to do is hit the key and not start it. See if you can hear that fuel pump. We got to get the air out of the system. All right, I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I can. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. We'll go back in and change all that in a minute. Okay, we're just now doing number 6. So as soon as it stops, we'll try to crank it. I'll turn it off one more time. There we go. Let it run this cycle, and then we'll go ahead and hit the switch. It might take a second to crank, but it should crank. All right, here we go. All right. Let me take a look underneath. Make sure that filter's not leaking, and up top. Nope. No leak. Good. Reset this. Let's reset this thing so it stops yelling at me. Here, nope. Nope. Yep. Down to here. Oil life reset. Hold the OK reset. New oil life. Bada bing. Up here to maintenance. Fuel filter. Hold. There we go. Now it'll stop yelling at me. All right, guys, I do appreciate it. I would appreciate a nice like, subscribe, and a big old fat thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.